नमस्कार. This video is intended for all the students. वो सभी स्टूडेंट्स जो किसी भी स्ट्रीम में तैयारी कर रहे हैं for fulfilling the aspirations of themselves and their families to have a better future. We are witnessing certain unfortunate instances relatively recently with higher frequency. Few of them include the untimely loss of some of the brightest minds of this country. And the tragedy is the way we are losing them. Yes, you're understanding it right. I do intend to talk about the loss of some of the brightest minds of the country because of suicide. What can be the possible reasons for an apparent increase in suicides in youngsters these days? Of course, if I look at the scientific evidence, there are genetic factors which are responsible for somebody having a higher chance of development of mental health issues. But individually speaking, to me it appears a problem which transcends the genetic factors. There is a definitive mismatch between what are our expectations from life, from society, from our family members, from ourselves, and what we are actually getting. Maybe this can be attributed to a wider exposure to the lives of other people on the social media, because the usual dictum is that social media पे कोई रोते हुए फोटो नहीं डालता. People are putting up their best photographs, maybe even their modified photographs, in the sense that they are applying a certain degree of makeup, they are going to the best places, they are in the best of their frames of mind, they are in the most happy state when they are posting these pics or the videos on the social media, which makes you think at some point of time, especially at the times when you are struggling to make through, that except you everybody is happy. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हर कोई खुश है दुनिया में मुझे छोड़ के, शायद ये जो चुनौतियां हैं, ये जो तकलीफें हैं, ये सारे मेरे ही हिस्से में हैं. बट ऐसा नहीं है. Do not be misguided by the bias that social media creates in your mind. Additionally, let us think about certain practical solutions. One is, of course, to have wonderful aspirations. Of course, we all need to work hard for it. But can we somehow, to a small extent, detach ourselves from the results? Can we just give some breathing space to ourselves? Can we just be a bit more lenient to our own selves? I personally feel that this may practically go a long way in creating a more conducive environment for yourself. Also, it has been proven time and again that such drastic steps which have been taken by students are usually because of an impulse. There are most of the times definitive warning signs that people share either subconsciously or very obviously with their closed ones. So somebody making a mention of taking up their own lives, and if you hear that particular thing, should never ever be taken lightly, friends. Talk to this individual. Better still, refer this individual, encourage him to seek the help of the mental health specialists or the psychiatrist. The psychiatrists are the people who are specialized to deal with such a situation. In a large number of situations, the chances of somebody taking up their own lives is very much linked with the presence of depression. And we do have really good number of drugs which in a large fraction of individuals can take care of this low mood or depression. So reach out to people if you are facing certain issues. Additionally, if somebody is reaching out to you, please do not ignore the warning signs. Another thing which can be done is that nowadays, not only in the private sector, but also from the government of India, we are having the presence of helplines. Please utilize them. Can we also do another bit for our own selves, for our own people, for our own society, for our own country? And that would be, just in case that intense negative thought ever crosses your mind, can you please, and that is with my folded hands, can you please for some time think about what is going to be the quality of life or what is going to be the consequence of this kind of a step on your family? You see, if you lose something which was very precious to you, something which was very close to you, be it a toy in your childhood, be it a pen, for that matter, be it someone that you had a great affection for, you feel heartbroken. एक बार के लिए सोच के देखना यार, वो माँ बाप जिन्होंने आपको इतना बड़ा किया, इस काबिल बनाया कि आप किसी पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम में किसी पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रीम की तैयारी कर पाएं, अगर आप ही चले गए तो उनका जीवन कैसा रहेगा? क्या कुछ भी उनके जीवन में रहने योग्य होगा? इट विल बी अ लाइफ विच इज गोइंग टू बी फुल ऑफ मिजरी. ना वो जी पाएंगे बेचारे, ना वो ढंग से रह पाएंगे, ना वो इस दुख को सह पाएंगे. तो अगर हमारे जीवन में कुछ भी एडवर्स हो रहा है, कुछ भी ऐसा हो रहा है जो हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन से मैच नहीं कर रहा, तो क्या हम कुछ देर के लिए उस चुनौती का सामना ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि पहली चीज हम किसी से शेयर करें, दूसरी चीज हम एक क्वालिफाइड साइकियाट्रिस्ट के पास जाके हेल्प सीख करें, और तीसरी चीज अपने पेरेंट्स से, अपने माँ बाप से उस चीज को शेयर करके उनसे कन्फाइड कर पाए. मैं बहुत श्योर हूं कि हमारे पेरेंट्स, हमारे लव्ड वंस जो हमारी जेन्युइनली केयर करते हैं, हमारे बहन भाई, वो कुछ ना कुछ सॉल्यूशन जरूर निकाल लेंगे. अगर आप पूरी सोसाइटी को टोटलिटी में देखो तो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको सोसाइटी में सिर्फ साइंटिस्ट चाहिए, आपको सिर्फ इंजीनियर्स चाहिए, आपको सिर्फ MBA करे हुए लोग चाहिए, आपको सिर्फ डॉक्टर्स चाहिए. आपकी सोसाइटी में हर मेंबर का एक अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन है. एवरीबडी इन द सोसाइटी इज अ इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉग ऑफ द बिगर व्हील. We require the presence of everybody in the society. So it is not about one profession. If there is one doctor who is not made, if there is one engineer who is not made, it is not going to be the end of everything. अपनी लाइफ को, अपने इस जीवन को बहुत वैल्यू कीजिए और इसे बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बिताइए. आपको और आपके परिवार को ईश्वर स्वस्थ रखे, खुश रखे, और आप जीवन में समाज के लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए कुछ डेफिनेटली यूजफुल कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाएं. इसी सद्विचार के साथ बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.